just wanted to share my new purchase. I got the new AirPod Pro 3s. See on there. Box looks pretty cool. Go ahead and open these up. Nice. Got your little pamphlet of documents. Tells you how to use it. Stuff we never actually read until something doesn't work. Go ahead and put that back. Sorry for struggling. Okay, here are the AirPods themselves. Come back to these, let us see what else is inside. So don't give you a charging cable. We think we knew that. Comes with these guys. It's the tips, the new tips that everyone's talking about. Feel a little bit different. Kind of nice. See how they feel in the ear later. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different pairs. Looks like we get extra small, small, and large. I have a big ear hole. I might use that one myself. That's all that comes in the package. They don't give stickers out anymore either. Let's open this guy up. Why does it feel like I'm opening up a diaper? I get really impatient with some of this stuff sometimes. There we go. So here are the new AirPod Pro 3. Got a lanyard on the side, a hole for a lanyard on the side. We don't have the actual light in front anymore. It's inside the case. See that when I turn them on? There's no more pairing button on the back. The pairing, I think I saw it gets done through the front or the back. I don't remember. Just some taps though. And there they are. So it actually comes with another pair of tips. Here they are. I'll have to pair these a little bit later. Just want to do a video on what they look like, what they feel. I don't know if it's just me, but the case and everything else feels kind of not as good quality as... I don't have the 2s, I have the 3s. And the 1s. No, I guess they feel about equal in quality. I guess it's just because I'm used to, I usually have my AirPod Pro 1s in the case, and I never ever take them out. They've been in the case since I bought them. So maybe I'm just forgetting what that feels like. But I feel pretty good. Not bad. Let's see, size comparison. Another thing I heard is they're a little bit bigger. At least the case itself. You can see that it is slightly bigger. So if you have a case for your 1s or your 2s, it is not going to fit on your 3s. So I bought a case. I'll make a separate video for that one. But it's that brand Sup case. Just the differences in the 1s and the 3s. USB-C compared to Lightning. Oh yeah, I forgot these guys have a little speaker on the bottom. They make noises. I don't know exactly what noises they make. Oh, here's something to note too. I used to have these. I used to buy some other ones because I, like everyone else, hated the tips. But I heard these guys are different. So that's another thing. If you have tips from the first ones, I don't think they're gonna fit on the. Sorry about my earwax. I don't think they're gonna fit on the 3s. They look kind of the same. Oh no. Yeah, these are a little bit deeper, you can tell. I guess I can try to put one on, see what happens. If I don't break anything. There we go. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna fit. Nope. Yeah, we can see this protrudes a little bit more than on the 1s. This is a big difference. So if you have the case or additional tips for your 1s or 2s, they will not be fitting your 3s. I think that's it in differences. Haven't tried it. I don't have one, but I heard these guys also do wireless charging. See, that's a little light. You can see it now. You see it through the case. Other than that, light's usually off. Cool. Thank you guys.
So these are the AirPods Pro 3s. I'm not gonna open them up because it'll just stop the video, but I mean they're your regular AirPod Pros. Like, of course, you know, this is how they look, so you can see. But yeah, these are how they look. You know, it's a nice, they're nice. You know, I'm not gonna say they're not. But I mean, besides the fact that they have hearing detection and they can track your heart and they can transcribe languages, I heard that they used to do that. It's nothing really new. Like, I'm getting more of a major noise cancellation from them. I'm not gonna lie, but I've had the Pro 2s and they were, you know, quite literally, they kind of feel like the same sound. And it's kind of been a while since I've had those, but because now I have Air Maxes. But yeah, no, I like these. I do. But is it worth the $250? I would just get the Pro 2s. You know, they have the USB-C, like that's very convenient for people who have newer iPhones. I don't have a new iPhone. I have the 14 Pro Max. And yeah, it's convenient. Like, they're nice. Like, if you're a music listener like me, like I love dancing. I listen to music almost every day. But yeah, these are the